Thailand's capital is a fast, buzzing city of over 8 million people. Known for its cosmopolitan feel and vibrant street life, Bangkok is also a great gateway to the country's best temples and palaces. And while it's easy to forget when walking among Bangkok's skyscrapers, the city's heart is on the water, the many canals networking throughout the neighborhoods, and the vibrant Chao Phraya River, which you can tour on a long-tail boat cruise. Shrouded in misty, Yongli Mountains, Chiang Mai is one of the best destinations in Thailand for travelers looking to see a different side of the country, a city of ancient constructions, thick tropical rainforests, and hill trekking. A good way to see the wild side of Chiang Mai is to head out to Doi Inthanon National Park, which is part of the Himalayan mountain range and home to remote villages and stunning viewpoints. Situated off the west coast of Thailand in the Andaman Sea, Phuket is home to some of the country's most visited beaches and is a popular destination for a beach vacation. Travelers can go to Kata Noi Beach for quiet scenery, to Nai Harn Beach to find crystal clear waters under the shade of palm trees, and to Surin Beach if they're looking for luxury resorts and high-end cuisine overlooking the sea.